gypsy, oh. It was late last night when the Lord came in, crying for his lady, oh. And the voice from every servant said, she's away with the Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh. Saddle for me, my milk white steed. Go and fetch my pony, oh, that I may ride and seek my bride, who's away with the Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh. He rode east, he rode west, he rode north and south, you know, till he came to a white open field. It was there he spied his lady, oh. What made you leave the house and your land? What made you leave your money, oh? What made you leave your only way to load to be off with the Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh? But it over off with a Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh. Last night she slept on a goose feather bed. She turned out so bravely, oh. Tonight she lie in a wide open field alone with the Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh. What do I care for my house and my land? What do I care for my money, oh? What do I care for my only wedded over? I'm off with the Raggle Taggle gypsy, oh.